Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and we know that back to school is just around the corner, and this is something that I think you guys will find pretty cool. So this is a customized label maker for your child. You are able to pick a different design if you want. You can get one for boys, for girls. There's different things too that you can put on it. You can put their name, you can put their phone number, they can pick any kind of character that you think customizes towards what they would like. Of course, I picked a mermaid and just put my daughter's name on it with little flowers, which is pretty cute. Something simple, but we know that we have to label their shoes, we have to label their backpacks, their clothing, different things, because when they're at school, there's so many different things that the teachers do like to have their names on it, so they're able to find their stuff in case it gets lost. And this is something that I find a lot easier. It stays on, it will not wash off, which is perfect. So you can put it even on their lunch pails and the things that they put on their lunch. It's very good. I absolutely love it. And this stamp lasted me last year, and it's already lasted me this year, labeling all her things. So this is something super cute, super fun, and your kids can help you with it as well. But that's just my point of view.